In this lesson, we will be looking at what do you do, how do you make a linear equation in any form if I have given you the intercepts. So remember that the intercepts are where they cross the x or the y axis. I didn't give you a picture here, but kind of a little sketch might be helpful. The x-intercept is 3, so this is the point 3, 0 right here. And the y-intercept is 4. So here's the y-intercept. This would be the point 0, 4. Okay? If I were to make a line out of those 2 points, it would look like this. Okay? Now, the 2 equations that are helpful to start with are y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, or y equals mx plus b. Now, in this case, I could actually use either of them because I know the y-intercept. So I know the y-intercept is 4. So if I wanted to go directly to here, since my y-intercept is 4, I could plug in 4 for b. Okay? And all I would need to do then is find the slope. And in order to find the slope, obviously I know it's negative. And to get from one point to the other, I would have to go, or remember, with slope, it's your vertical change over your horizontal change. So to get here, I would go down 4 and right 3. Okay, down 4 and right 3. So my slope would be negative 4 over 3. Okay, if you didn't draw a picture, you could always do this as x1 and y1, and this as x2 and y2, and follow the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And still do 0 minus 4 over 3 minus 0 and get negative 4/3 that way. So either way, it doesn't matter how you get there. Your m is negative 4/3. That's what's important to know. So I could plug that in right here, and I already have it in slope-intercept form. Or I could use either one of these coordinates. It doesn't matter. I'll just say I'll use the point 0, 4, and I could plug it in over here. Okay, and go y minus, my y1 is 4, my slope is negative 4/3, x minus, and my x is 0. Okay, so, and I can keep going from there. I'm going to erase this now so that, okay, this right here is in point slope. And if you started here and you needed to keep going, you would distribute that x through. So I have y minus 4 equals negative 4/3 times x. Negative 4/3 times negative 0 is just 0, and I don't need to write that. And then, of course, I would add 4. And I already knew that this was the answer because I did it over there. But, excuse me, that's what it would look like in slope-intercept form. And then if I want to convert it to standard form, I would need to add the 4/3 x to both sides. So I would have 4/3 x plus y equals 4. And remember that in standard form you cannot have fractions or decimals, so I would need to multiply everything through by 3. So 3 times 4/3 x would be 4x, 3 times y would be 3y, and 3 times 4 would be 12. And that's what this would look like in standard form.